Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy CJ coming at another video. So, hey, y'all see this right here on the radar. Freestyle. His name is Lil 50. I never heard of him. Um, he look like he like 16 type shit. But hey, y'all know how we do over here. We working with all the youngins. They're trying to grow my channel. Put the youngins on. And that's how I found with this shit, entertain y'all type shit. But hey, give me the 150 by the end of the month. You heard? You did? And hey, also give me the 1K by the end of the year. You heard? But hey, I'm giving y'all damn near daily videos. I hope y'all enjoy this shit. Let's get it. Lil 50 on the radar freestyle. I don't know who this bitch is.
The next stop is On the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar Radio Freestyles. Yo, Lil 50 in the building. I'm gonna step out. He gonna step in and buy this, all right? Let's go.
Fritz, how you do that?
Say cheese. Say cheese. This that walk out shit, so bitch don't call me bleed. Get on your knees. Do this shit with ease. This that lemon squeeze. I'm on that block. Bitch, just give me top and get back to the drop. You fuck with ops. I can't.
But he's low key. Alright. I don't know if I'm reaching or not. Y'all let me know in the comment section. He low key sound like he Von. I'm getting no vibes already. Okay then, whatever. Lil 50. Keep going. Okay?
Say cheese. Say cheese. This that walk out shit, so bitch don't call me bleed. Get on your knees. Do this shit with ease. This that lemon squeeze. I'm on that block. Bitch, just give me top and get back to the drop. You fuck with ops. I can't cut for bot. These hoes get dick and pop. Say he won't beef. Think he in the street, so we gon' give him heat. 19 a beast. It's that gon' knock him off his feet. Oh, you mad? I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm chasing cash. Get to that bag. Switch up in the lab. Leave him on his ass. How you gon' hate? Same nigga that'll smile up in your face. Grab a K, or you can grab a Drake. I just bought that today. Well, fuck your block. Niggas acting like they did some. Well, fuck that Glock. We pull up, I bet we getting one. But I'm trying to get some.
How this man, like, I think he like 15, 16 talking about killing somebody. Boy, this generation, but it's my generation, though. I look. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't give him heat, 19 a beast. It's that gon' knock him off his feet. Oh, you mad? I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm chasing cash. Get to that bag. Switch up in the lab. Leave him on his ass. How you gon' hate? Same nigga that'll smile up in your face. Grab a K, or you can grab a Drake. I just bought that today. Well, fuck your block. Niggas acting like they did some. Well, fuck that Glock. We pull up, I bet we getting one. But I'm trying to get some. But I'm trying to hit some. We pull up 100 shots. Bet they ass can't dip none. Switches, they on everything. We tryna hit everything. Fuck her and I block her. She say, babe, you acting very mean. Say cheese. This that walked out shit, so bitch don't call me bleed. Get on your knees. Do this shit with ease. This that lemon squeeze. I'm on that block. Bitch, just give me top and get back to the drop. You fuck with ops. I can't cut for bot. These hoes get dick and pop. Say cheese. This that walk. Oh, bitch don't call me. Get on your. Do this shit. This that lemon. I'm on that. Bitch, just give me top and get back to the drop.
Okay then, Lil 50. I don't know who he was, but the track on Fire, you kind of sound like King Von. I ain't gonna lie. You give me like King Von vibes, but hey, keep doing your thing. I had to just check him out because it was on my own homepage, so you said I know what I should record the video type shit. But if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, you seen that step back though? Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I'm talking to you. But hey, your boy's out.